Welcome to Confessions of a Hoe Diary. I have retreated to the car, but the shed door has been left open, so I need to run and make a dash for it. Not cool. I'm going to drive down. Right, let's do this. Welcome to Confessions of a Hoe Diary! Hurricane special! My word. That was bad timing. All the ground's got wet. I am going to have a little clean up. But the reason I came here today is that I picked up some storage units on Facebook Marketplace. Yes, I knew this would come in handy. Can't bloody move anywhere. There's just stuff everywhere. Everywhere. That rain was really teeming. At least I don't have to clean the floor now.
3 hours later.
We're just at the allotment now. Just going to go and check on the stuff in the greenhouse, and then I'll show you the plot. I'll get Bella some water. Come on out to the good girl. Look at those. They're nice. Checking in. Oh, somebody's watered something. Come, good girl. So this isn't my plot, but this is one of the access paths. This is me. So I've got some tomatoes and courgettes in here. Got potatoes, radishes, and some beans, some lettuces and some chard, some cabbages, some broccoli, more beans here, and some sunflowers. Planted some beetroot in here the other day. Raspberries, pruned all these the other day, so if I can secure Bella with a bit of water, I might do half an hour just breaking these down a bit. And yeah, compost, apple tree, that's a damson tree which is just out of control. A few strawberries going wild, some that I've rescued. Got some runner beans on the go here, a bit of cress, some carrots and 2 aubergines. This was an old compost heap that a potato's been growing out of. Bella, I can't play with you, I've got to do a bit of work.
Several days later.
It's been a while since I've been up here, but I've already started, so I thought I'll have to finish this project. So I am using this Skylight to put on top of my house. So I fitted a door the other day, which I think I recorded. So I'm just sort of going round the corners. I'm going to go around here with the sauna app. This actually doesn't let in a lot of sunlight, but it'll keep things warm. But the Skylight will. That's the Skylight over there, and I've got some guy lines to tie that down. So I'm just going to do another door here, and then I'm just going to complete the wrap. And then what I've done is I have secured guy lines to these holes so I can anchor it down. Put you on time lapse and you can see what's happening. Okay, so I have been putting together the wrap. So I'm just going to pop the Skylight on top, and then I've also got a little thermometer there just to check the temperature, just to see what's happening. But it's saying 29 degrees, but there's no way it's 29 degrees today. So I'm just going to move it away from the glass. Right, holy cow. Right, I was just putting in the final touches to the greenhouse. So I've staked it down and everything. So might not win any awards for looking like the best greenhouse ever, but it was free, and yeah, I'll probably make some adaptations. These are pretty much just off-cuts, so I might dismantle it and do it again, but in the meantime it'll do. So temperature's currently showing at 25.2 degrees. I've just got the thermometer there. I'm just going to lift up the sides and pop it in, and hopefully it should give us a higher reading. I put the thermometer in and it's rose like 10 degrees, so bloody hell, it's going to be hot in there. So I need to think about ventilation. I did actually put it on hot plastic, so maybe I'll move the suction cup somewhere else. We'll have to see, Let me give you a tour. So look, I've strapped these down. I need to move my cold frame in there. It's looking a little bit worse for wear because there's no water in the bottom of it. But look, my little sort of greenhouse cold frame. So this is it. This is the greenhouse. Maybe, is this a design floor? Oh good, that's all right. It opens up. Does it open up on the other side? Yes, it does. See, that's where the thermometer is, so maybe it's because it's against the hot plastic, I don't know. Maybe I'll poke it through one of those holes or something. Great day on the plot today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.